Is your bed snoring? Did you know that sleep with a snoring can lead to serious problems? Why? First, for the person who snores, as they can't rest properly. Second, for the person who sleeps with the snorer, lack of sleep leads to irritation, and this is one of the reasons snoring is one of the most common causes of fights in couples. And in recent studies show that snoring can lead to brain damage. So, it's time to take snoring seriously. We all know how snoring sounds, but do you know what snoring is? Snoring is caused by the relaxation of the tissues in your throat, which start to vibrate when the air passes through them. These tissues partially block your airways. The narrower the gap where the air needs to pass, the louder the snoring will be. Snoring can also be a result of alcohol consumption or irregular cold. After a night of drinking, the tissues are prone to collapse, and this leading to snoring. When you have a cold, the airways are already blocked and swollen due to irritation. So, when the air tries to pass through will cause your sleep snoring. The problem comes when you snore more than 3 times per week, as snoring can lead to potentially fatal conditions. Snoring has a lot of health risks, but one study showed an alarming connection between snoring and memory loss. If you snore frequently, you probably suffer from a degree of sleep apnea. This condition makes you wake up tired, as it prevents you from entering the REM sleep, which is when the body really gets to rest and recover. Other side effects of sleep apnea, which is essentially a short time when you stop breathing, are weight gain, diabetes, and high blood pressure. A team of scientists looked at the effects of snoring and found that snoring damages the brain, leading to faster memory loss and Alzheimer's. Strokes are another side effect of frequent snoring and sleep apnea. Considering these new studies, you need to take snoring seriously. The first step is checking with your doctor and trying on natural remedies against snoring, which can reduce the sleep apnea and your risks of developing severe conditions over time. Snoring can be relieved with some help from nature, depending on the cause of snoring. If you don't know why you snore, you can try these remedies before turning to more invasive solutions, like airway pressure machines or surgery. Adjusting your diet and losing weight can also help you reduce snoring, so pay attention to what and when you eat. Peppermint has anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it the best remedy against snoring. Peppermint can reduce the irritation in your throat, which can be caused by smoking, allergies, dry air, or simply daily pollution, and helping you breathe normally during your sleep. Make a mixture of a glass of water and 2 drops of peppermint oil and gargle with it before going to bed daily. Another way to use peppermint oil is to add a couple of drops to your humidifier machine. Massaging your nose with peppermint oil is another easy way to relieve snoring. Another good anti-inflammatory substance is olive oil, which can reduce the swelling in your airways and reduce the vibrations which cause the unpleasant noise. You can take 2 sips of olive oil as it is or mix it with honey. Use the remedy daily, before going to sleep. Turmeric is a strong antibiotic and an antiseptic, which can be used to reduce the swelling of the tissues and prevent snoring. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder in a glass of warm milk and drink it half an hour before going to bed daily. This mixture will also boost your immune system and will help you sleep better. Ghee can reduce snoring and help you sleep better. Warm a small amount of ghee and put 2 drops of it into each nostril. This will open up the airways and will help you breathe easier. Repeat it daily before going to sleep and right after you wake up. Steam is one of the most effective remedies for most people who snore, as the steam reduces the congestion and improves breathing. Boil water and add 4 drops of eucalyptus or tea tree essential oil to it. Place the water bowl in front of you and place a towel on your head, so you make a sort of tent for inhaling the steam. Breathe deeply for 10 minutes before going to bed. Repeat the procedure daily. Those are some natural ingredients that can cure your snoring habits while sleeping. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe Musiafe's channel.